In this video, I will guide you on how to convert a text script into a video. Go to Invideo.io using my description link and click Try Invideo AI. It will redirect you to the actual page. Here, you can create a video for every platform like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. To do this, click Explore and choose one of the options. I'm going with YouTube Shorts. Now, provide the necessary details like your prompt, background music, language, and so on. After setting everything up, click Continue and then Generate Video. Now choose these additional options to enhance the look and feel of your video according to your convenience, and then click Continue to get results. Now the video is ready, and you can play it. If you need to change something, click Edit to modify the script, background music, and even switch the stock images and videos. Once everything is good, click Download to get the results. And this is our final result.
What if I told you that just 5 minutes could supercharge your day? I will never skip this workout after seeing the results. Try this quick 5-minute workout to boost your energy. First up, 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Get that heart pumping. Next, 30 seconds of squats. Feel the burn in those legs. Now drop down for 30 seconds of push-ups. Strengthen that upper body. Ready? Repeat it all twice. You're just 5 minutes away from feeling amazing. Remember, consistency is key. Make this part of your daily routine. Let's go, fitness warriors. Your energy boost awaits.